Well, we're back. It's Crypto Big Boss. Folks, I want to talk to you today about Next Earth. There is an incredible article on Decrypt that came out on January the 24th, 2022 about a metaverse that is being developed called Next Earth. And it's just like, I don't know why no one's really talking about this. Apparently there are 350,000 folks that have already purchased a parcel in this Next Earth metaverse. And you know, the thing is, I'm gonna be honest, I hate the term metaverse because the truth is that in my mind there's no such thing as a metaverse. Every video game since the inception of video games was a metaverse. To me, a metaverse is just a world where you go and you escape this reality and you have some fun for a while, whether it be Donkey Kong back in the 80s, or Pac-Man. What we have called those metaverses, we just called them video games back in the day. But now I guess as soon as people make a new world and they start using blockchain technology as a means of creating the, finance layer for their particular world, we got to call it a metaverse. So enter the new way of calling a, name for a video game is now metaverse. But back to Next Earth. I don't want to say they stole the idea, but this whole idea of creating a world and selling parcels that are actually NFTs, very similar to Decentraland, very similar to Axie Infinity. It seems like this is becoming a running theme now. That every time we create a new metaverse video game world, we're going to lash up a blockchain to represent the parcels and sell the land. But this, folks, just is an incredible idea. You just got to give it to them. That basically what they've done is they've taken this idea of selling parcels of land and applied it to the earth itself. That's right. They're going to create a virtual earth, and you can go in and buy a parcel that's a representation of a plot of land on the next earth. So, I mean, if you look at this article, it's just an incredible take on creating a new virtual world that's a representation of where we actually live. And you got to give it to these folks. It's just a great idea. And today of all days is the day, January the 27th is the day that they're going to actually launch what they're calling the next token, NXTT. Voila, the thumbnail that we have, the next big thing. Sadly enough, when you do some digging out there, you're going to find out that folks in the United States aren't going to be able to participate in the pre-sale of the tokens, even though somehow 350,000 virtual land NFTs have already been sold. We're probably going to have to wait until the pre-sales are over, and at the moment, I have no doubt in my mind that this is going to be big. It says right here on the 27th, they're gonna close the pre-sale, and after pre-sale, the public will have the chance to acquire NXTT through DEX platform Uniswap. So we'd have to hop on Uniswap right now. Now, there are people out here that say they can smell money. Okay. I don't have to tell you that the metaverse concept is hot right now. And the take on Next Earth is that they're going to be a little bit different. I want to read this to you. While several crypto projects are currently employing VR and AR technology to create their own versions of Metaverse, they are aiming to develop a fully DAO-controlled, interoperable, and completely democratized Metaverse. So there's the difference, according to their CEO. Falvey, if that's how you say it. And I think this is going to be a hugely successful platform that they're introducing. You got their own token. They got this thing called Launchpad where you can get NXTT. You're going to be able to get it on Uniswap, and you can buy parcels of land just like you would in all the other metaverses. How can they lose? This is going to be big. A metaverse modeled around the earth. So hurry on over to Uniswap. This is not financial advice, but you guys come to this channel to try to get tips on what's the next big thing. Well, you're looking at it. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.